Alright, good afternoon everyone. So kasama po natin ang isa sa official candidate ng inaugural Mr. Nueva Ecija 2025, Cecilio Relucio, representing the municipality of Cabiao. Hello!
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so kamusta na finally tapos na ang press presentation?
Well, ngayon po, I'm very happy kasi tapos na yung press presentation na pinagandahan namin for how many days. And right now, I'm very excited po sa mga susunod pa.
Okay, so this is the inaugural edition of Mr. Nueva Ecija. So, as part of the first batch ng candidates, ano yung nilook forward mo sa competition this year?
Siyempre po, nilook forward ko yung crown. Siyempre, that's the main reason why I joined this pageant, to represent Nueva Ecija to the national stage. And so, nilook forward ko din po in having the certain bond with those co-candidates that I have. Kasi po, syempre, mabibuild din yung friendship during this time. And also, may enhance po kung ano po yung mga skills and talents ko in terms of pageantry.
Alright, so, assuming manalo ka ng isa sa mga crown, from 1 to 10, gaano ka ka-ready i-represent ang probinsya ng Nueva Ecija?
I would say 10 because I will not join this pageant if I know to myself that there's something na naglalak pa sa akin. And I believe na kapag sinabi mong Mr. Nueva Ecija, you are aiming for something higher than a provincial pageant. And so, I think na I'm very much ready for this. My experiences prepared me for this and also my credentials. And so, I'm very ready for Nueva Ecija.
This is not your first pageant, right? You've joined several in the past.
Yes, sir.
Quite recently is you were crowned Ginoong Parañaque, second runner-up. So, do you think this will be a advantage for you going here sa competition?
Definitely, sir. Kasi I believe experiences, it's a truly advantage, especially sa pageantry. Kasi you will learn a lot. Whether you lose or win, you will gain something. And I believe madami ko natutunan from Ginoong Parañaque. And hopefully, I can be able to apply those lessons and those experiences to this one.
Alright, so the province of Nueva Ecija is the named as the rice granary of our country. So aside from the bigas, rice, ano pa yung pwede mong i-offer sa buong Pilipinas or sa buong mundo na local sa Nueva Ecija?
Well, something that is local to Nueva Ecija is daigings, pastillas. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, Cabiao po ang pinanggalingan ng pinakamasarap na pastillas dito sa Nueva Ecija. And I believe that it could boost in terms of delicacies dito sa Pilipinas. And also, it could be presented into the whole world.
Alright, thank you very much and the best of luck to you. And we'll see more of you in the coming weeks. Thank you very much once again, guys. We have with us Cecilio Relucio, representing the municipality of Cabiao.
Thank you so much.